What's up? I want to give you this quick video. Go in the charts and watch what is happening here right now. Where is it? Here. So it's very interesting because I told you today in the morning we saw here this huge symmetrical triangle, and I told you it's getting tighter and tighter. And today in the evening or in the night when this Asia market is open, we will see huge breakout to the up or downside. Nobody knows, but we know the entry position. If we break this white line to the upside, we are long, making a long. If we are breaking to the downside this white line, we're making big short. And it's getting really huge because it's getting tighter and tighter. And you see also, if I'm zooming out, the volume is decreasing. So it means that there will be very huge breakout, huge move. So technically speaking, I already told you. Wait a minute, here, make it so like this. Technical price target, so if we break it here, assume 18,850. Technical price target is around 17,800. If we break it to the downside, if we break it to the upside, technical price target would be here around 20,150. So very interesting. But again, let me zoom in. So we are waiting until this breakout, and you see it's literally hours, a few hours away, this huge breakout, because we can wait maximum or latest until tomorrow morning. You see, at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning we will see a breakout latest. I think it's really in the immediate short term. It could be now, it could be around 10 p.m. you see here, or around here midnight. I expecting here breakout. So set your alarm. You see here you see this orange arrows. This is my alarm. I turned on. It will turn on even in the night, and then I will make a huge position. So again, quick price targets for you, bratans. And also Ethereum, because Ethereum I didn't manage to do in the morning. I will show you. So if we break here at around 19,150, we can start to long. First price target is 19,287. Next one is 19,380. Next one would be this green line at around 19,433. And this alone is 1.5%. 10 XR 15, 20 XR 30% long opportunity. And then if we're breaking this green line, then we're breaking this green line, or this green lines, this is descending broadening wedge, then we can make even a bigger long. Next price tag 19,675 around. Then the next one would be 19,008. Wait a minute, 19,977, and next one would be here around, wait a minute, 20,125. So all in all, 5%, 10 XR 50, 20 XR 100% long opportunity. Please take profits along the way up, also along the way down. Depends if you're short or long. And I told you, if we break with the 15-minute candle above this white line to the upside, I will make a long and make a quick stop loss slightly down below this white line. So if it's a fake out, I get stopped out. Yes, I lose a little bit money, but then I can make here, can quickly take action and make a short, right? So right now the short price target. So if we break here this white line at around, let's say 18,850, we can start to short. First price target would be here 18,723. Next one would be around 18,400. Wait a minute, 460. The next one would be here around 18,150, and the next one would be here the support and at our green line at around 17,370. So all in all, 8%, 10 XR 80%, 20 XR over 160%. And also, in case if we're breaking here this white line to the downside, with the clear 15-minute candle, I will open a short here and the stop loss slightly above this white line. So if it's a fake out to the downside, I get stopped out, lose a little bit money, but then I can here make a quick long, right? So very clear in my opinion. Please do your own research. It's not a financial advice, it's only what I'm doing. You see, in the big picture, we are in this descending broadening wedge, and even on the bigger picture on the daily, we are in this huge descending broadening wedge on the daily also, you see. But it all doesn't matter, because we have to watch only on the 1 and 4 hourly, or better say on 15-minute. If we break this white line to the upside, we can long. If we break to the downside, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Now quickly, let's have a watch on Ethereum. Ethereum is still also in this huge descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern. And I told you the technical price target is here around, wait a minute, is here around, wait a is it? Is here around 1,600, I think. Yes, it was around 1,570. Let's see. You see here we are retesting this line the whole time. It all depends on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, right? If Bitcoin break to the upside, we can start to long Ethereum. First price like 1,332. Next one 1,359. Next one would be around 1,379. The next one would be here around 1,411. The next one 1,433, 1,454, and 1,470. So all in all, 12%, 10x average 120, 20x average over 240%. Long opportunity if Bitcoin breaks to the upside. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, then we can start to short Ethereum. First price target is 1,291. Next one 1,275, 1,262. Next one would be here around 1,246, and the next one would be here our white dot line at 1,225. I would take also here take profits slightly above. So all in all 6.7%, 10x average 67, 20x average over 135% short opportunity if Bitcoin breaks to the downside. Let me have a quick watch also on the S&P 500, but that's because I when it was a long time ago when I watched here, so I have to close. S&P 500, it's very interesting here. Let me quickly have a look on the daily S&P 500. We broke out of this falling wedge to the upside, and now it seems that we will retest here. I have to extend it a little bit without redrawing it. That we will retest here this downline. You see? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 1 second. Extend a little bit, that we will retest here this line. But let me quickly watch on RSI. RSI is heavily oversold on the daily, heavily oversold on the 4 hourly, 1 hourly a little bit. So there's a little bit room to go to the downside, right? A little bit room to the downside, but all in all it looks like we will see a huge pump in the stock market. And if we see a huge pump in the stock market, we will see a huge pump in the crypto market. So I am betting here on a pump. Why? Because Bitcoin is in all patterns in bullish patterns. You see descending broadening wedge on the daily. On the 4 hourly we have also descending broadening wedge, but we have inside the symmetrical triangle, and this is a 50-50 chance. But on all, I expecting here, even if we see some dump here to 17,300, I expecting here that we will see pump because of the S&P 500. However, it doesn't matter what I'm expecting here. It's much more matter, again, if we're breaking here this white line to downside around 80,850, we can start short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we break here this white line to the upside around 19,000, it depends where we are breaking. For example, here at 19,111, 115, we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Where we are doing it, bratans, we are trading at the moment on Bybit. On Bybit, you can trade with this $4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit, and you get free access to my sexy Discord channel, which we are building, and free access absolutely for free to my Telegram channel if you're trading through my affiliate link. So in my opinion, it's very clear, bratans. Please, oh, it's very nice, right? Please write me down below, what do you think about it? Do you think we will break to the upside, to downside? Are you prepared for this trade? Yes or no? Please hit the like button if you appreciate my videos here. And yes, I wish you a very good, nice weekend. Hit the like button. I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.